Have you ever watched a puppy try to jump and, well, totally fail? Don't worry, they'll get there. Puppies start trying to jump around 6 to 8 weeks old, but at this stage, they're still clumsy. Their little legs just aren't strong enough yet. By 3 to 4 months, they're starting to get the hang of it. At this point, they can hop onto low surfaces, but they might still be a little wobbly. By 6 months, most puppies can jump pretty well, and some athletic breeds, like Border Collies or Jack Russells, can launch themselves like little rockets. But remember, puppies' joints are still developing, so too much jumping too soon can be risky. Avoid high jumps until they're fully grown. So if your puppy is still working on their jumping skills, give them time. Soon enough, they'll be bouncing everywhere.